We all know how important it is to stay healthy, especially during flu season or times when we're feeling stressed. So in this video, I'm going to share 10 natural ways to improve your immune system. These are simple, science-backed tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's get started. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin C. Think citrus, berries, bell peppers, and zinc, which you can find in nuts, seeds, and legumes. These are essential for a strong immune response. It's simple but effective. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for every process in your body, including your immune system. It helps flush out toxins, keeps your cells functioning, and supports the production of immune cells. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and you can also hydrate with herbal teas and water-rich fruits like cucumbers and melons. Moving on to exercise. Did you know that regular exercise is one of the best ways to boost your immune system? You don't have to go overboard. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a few times a week can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote overall immune function. So whether it's a walk, a jog, or a yoga session, get moving. Next up, sleep. We can't stress this enough. Getting enough quality sleep is key for a strong immune system. During sleep, your body does its repair work, including producing immune cells that fight infections. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Stress can weaken your immune system, so managing it is essential. Try activities that help you relax, like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even spending time in nature. High levels of stress release cortisol, a hormone that can suppress your immune response, so find ways to keep your stress in check. Let's talk about gut health. Did you know that about 70% of your immune system is in your gut? Incorporating probiotics into your diet, through foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables, can help balance your gut bacteria and support your immune system. If you're not into fermented foods, consider taking a probiotic supplement. Herbal teas can do wonders for your immune system, especially when you're feeling run down. Echinacea, ginger, garlic, and elderberry are all known for their immune-boosting properties. Sip on these teas regularly to give your immune system a little extra help. Plus, they're soothing and comforting. Next, let's talk about sunlight. Exposure to natural sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which plays a huge role in regulating immune responses. Try to get about 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight a day. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, consider taking a vitamin D supplement. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster. It's also a powerful immune-boosting food. Garlic contains compounds like allicin that have been shown to enhance the immune system's ability to fight infections. Try adding fresh garlic to your meals, or if you're feeling brave, chew on a clove for an extra boost. Lastly, quitting smoking and limiting alcohol can have a significant impact on your immune system. Both smoking and excessive alcohol can suppress immune function, making it harder for your body to fight off infections. So, if you're looking to boost your immunity, cutting back on these habits will definitely help. So, there you have it. 10 natural ways to improve your immune system. By making small changes to your diet, lifestyle, and habits, you can help keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off any invaders. Remember, a healthy immune system is all about consistency. So start integrating these tips into your routine and stick with them for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a health tip from us. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you're going to try first. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.